Have you ever wondered why ships float but a small stone sinks? The answer lies in a fascinating concept called buoyancy. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a fluid like water or air on an object submerged in it. This is why things feel lighter underwater. Here is the science behind it. When an object is in water, the pressure at the bottom of the object is greater than the pressure at the top because pressure increases with depth. This pressure difference creates a net upward force, the buoyant force. Over 2000 years ago, a Greek scientist named Archimedes discovered a game-changing principle. It states an object immersed in a fluid experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. So if you drop an object in water, it pushes water aside or displaces it. The more water it displaces, the greater the buoyant force. When an object floats, the weight of the object is exactly equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. That's why a massive ship floats. It displaces a huge amount of water equal to its own weight. Submarine controls its buoyancy using ballast tanks. To dive, it fills the tanks with water, increasing its weight. To rise, it pumps the water out with compressed air, making it lighter. A hydrometer uses buoyancy to measure the density of liquids. It floats higher in denser liquids and sinks lower in lighter ones. Even in air, buoyancy works. A hot air balloon rises because hot air is lighter than cold air, making the balloon float upwards. The ships have a special mark called the plimsoll line, which shows how deep they can safely float in different waters. This prevents overloading and keeps ships safe. Okay, let's review what we have learned. Buoyancy is the upward force a fluid exerts on an object. Archimedes' principle: an object displaces its weight in fluid. Flotation objects float if their weight equals the displaced fluid. Applications from ships to submarines and even hot air balloons. Okay. Buoyancy isn't just a cool science fact, it's a concept that keeps our world afloat. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting science adventures on Knowledge Suitcase.